Alright, mga ma'am sir, nabuo na natin yung carousel calendar ng YOLO Park and very, very cool yung grabe yung build niya. Medyo, medyo ano lang to, medyo mahirap lang siya kasi wala siyang instructions. Yun lang, wala siyang instruction notes, wala. So, if figure out nyo na lang, so meron siyang bottom part, ito yung parang merong hole, and then you have the gold part here na circular, and then papatong siya dito. So make sure na aligned siya, and then itong mga parts na to, ito yung mga carousel cards. Tawagin na lang natin siyang carousel character cards. So you have Optimus Prime, Evangelion, Test Type 01, Samurai Pizza Cats, Shurato, Voltes 5. I think a character from Metal Slug, Karas from Shurato din yan, Peppa Pig, Optimus Prime. Tapos sa taas na part, nandito yung featured na month. Okay, kung gusto niyo ilagay January, February, March, April, February 2026 na ngayon. So lalagay natin siya dito, February 2. Again, thank you very much Yolo Park. This is a very very nice this very very nice display para sa yan ganito pala yung angle dapat. Very very nice display sa inyong desk. Lalo na kung meron siyang ilaw na nakatutok dito sa carousel. So you can spin it around, play with it. Para siyang fidget calendar type of display. You have the YOLO Park logo sa taas, carousel na para siyang carnival carousel, and then you have the month. So meron din siyang month collection dito. So kung gusto niyo ilagay yung pipili lang kayo dito ng month card. So you have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and ay, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December for 2026. Okay, so that's it. Yun yung mga nakuha natin from YOLO Park for the Lunar Year gift package. Again, thank you very much, YOLO Park. We got this Formulate Jungle uh, 10 cm blind box figure from YOLO Park. Winson Ma X YOLO Park. Very cool. Ang nakuha natin yung yellow na variant. Re-review natin to separately. And we have Transformers YOLO Park AMK miniseries Wave 2 na model kit. Ang nakuha natin sino nga pala to? Si 11 cm na Hound. So we got Hound transparent version Wave 2. Actually wala akong Wave 2 kaya super super nice ito. Thank you again. Meron siyang alt hands. I-review din natin siya after nitong set na to. And we also have, actually, ganda nitong calendar na binigay nila. It's acrylic, very thick na acrylic. So very sturdy. You can spin it around. You can play with it. May mga characters pa. So I'm looking forward to this, yung Voltes 5 Legacy na model AMK Pro. Looking forward to that. Super, super nice yan. Grabe. And also, ito yung mga month card na holder